Are you tired of navigating through menus just to access the advanced startup? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create a simple desktop shortcut that takes you there in one click, perfect for quick troubleshooting and recovery. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, I welcome you. And please don't forget to support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. So to add advanced startup option shortcut to the desktop, you have to stick with me to the end, okay? Because I'm going to use my virtual machine for demonstration. So without wasting much of your time, let me open my virtual machine, which I've launched already. And then to add the advanced startup shortcut to the desktop, we are going to right click on the desktop, and then we go to new, and then we click on shortcut. So at the location, we are going to type shutdown.exe /r /o /f /t 0. Okay, so the R is to restart, the O is to go to the advanced boot options on restart, the F is to force running apps to close, and the 0 is wait 0 seconds before restarting. Okay, so you are going to click on next, and then we are going to change the name to, let's say, advanced startup. Okay, then we click on finish. So now we are going to double click on the shortcut, and then we see what happens. Okay, so now it's restarting. Okay, so after the restart, it will take us to the advanced startup options where we can do our troubleshooting. Okay, so you see, so now we are at the advanced startup options. So here you can continue to Windows 10, okay, or you can use a device. Okay, so use a USB drive, network connection, or Windows recovery DVD, and then troubleshoot. So we are going to click on the troubleshoot, and then you can reset this PC, or you go to the advanced options. Okay, so here you can select the troubleshooting you want to do, okay, like which of the troubleshooting options you want to use. Okay, so this is basically how to go to the advanced startup options. So let me continue to Windows 10. The steps are the same for Windows 11 as well. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial. This is how to add advanced startup options shortcut to your desktop. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.